And if there is no human labor, there is no human error. The only way you can build a secure system, a truly secure system, is to eliminate human error. Self-driving cars will not crash, or they won't crash. They'll crash 1% as often, 1/10% as often than human-driven cars. Automation is much more reliable, much more predictable, much safer than doing it by hand. The autonomous database is also fully elastic in the cloud. So let's say you're running basic accounting system, and once a month or once every 2 weeks you run your payroll, and you're a big company, you're a big retailer, and you have a few 100,000 employees, and the payroll takes a while to do all the calculation, all the withholding tax, vacation days, all of this other stuff to do all the calculations. And to get that done quickly, you'd like to allocate even more processors. Well, the autonomous database is completely elastic. If you need more processors, you immediately allocate them, use them, run 10 times faster. When you're done, you give them back to the pool. So it's much faster. You get the processors you need when you need them. When you don't need them, you give them back. So you only pay for what you use. This is not how other cloud databases work. They don't, you say, I want 8 processors or 16 or 32 or 64, and you pay for them whether they're working or not. In our case, it gets what you need, you go faster, returns it. If your database is doing nothing, there are no processors allocated, and it costs nothing. So it's much higher performance, much lower in cost, and because of no labor, much more secure. Object data, relational database. The big relational database is much more powerful. The only issue that programmers have with relational databases is they have to predefine what's called a schema.